Hello and welcome back to another Geared Up Garage video. It's a very special video today. We are at Brands Hatch Truck Racing. I must say a massive thank you to AFP Transport for sorting us out last minute with tickets for this, because we didn't realise the event sold out, and well, Fred came and saved the day. So thanks in advance, Fred. Here we have two Volvos and a really nice Scania. This Volvo here is particularly nice. I really like it. I've just been inside of it and a bloke had a nice leather and white cream interior. But that chassis is really, really nice. Let's say it's a beautiful colour silver as well. Obviously we've got the awesome AFP mobile. We've got DJ Commercials silver V8 Scania. Been told this thing sounds awesome. Lovely box on the side, she's side piped. This is a really, really nice V8 Scania. AJ Nash's, sorry, not DJ Commercials. Really, really cool truck. There's lots to see here, so I cannot wait to have a walk around. This is my first time at this show, so it should be really, really cool. We've got Ant with us, we've got Alfie, we've got Fred over here as well. We're ready to explore Brands Hatch. Well, should we get going, shall we? So the main event is about to start here. We've got the truck racing. The lorries are just getting ready to go around now. Some of them on the start line. Some of them are still warming up. They had a crash earlier, so with their cars, so then they didn't carry on doing that, so obviously got the lorries in the town. My friend's actually got a truck that he's racing at the minute on this track, so I'm going to try and see if I can catch up with him a bit later. Maybe we can have a look at it. I don't know if I'll be able to get in the pits with it though, but it's RSM's one, so that'd be really cool. But yeah, watch the racing and then we'll go for a little walk. I need to get a better zoom. This is sick. So we've got this silver Scania here. Go on, how much is it pushing? 900. That sounds wicked. Alfie, you've missed a spot. You've got to do some cleaning, son. Nice inside. This is well nice inside. Oh, you've even got bed. That is cool. That MN, very nice. Is that the V8 one? No. It's a nice colour though, isn't it? No. Is she really? Look at that. Yeah. That is nice. That's the V8 one. He's won some trophies with that, isn't he? That's cool, that is. That is a nice lorry. That is a really nice lorry. There's some really cool stuff here, to be fair. Some really nice stuff. That's nice as well, to be fair. I love the colours on that. Very understated. I like understated. Oh, look on the back of that. That is cool. Well, this is something you don't see very often. Twin stacks. It's not, it's a Volvo. Twin stacks on the back of a low cab Volvo. What does it sound like? Does it sound nice? That is well cool.
I won't say what I just said.
What, twin pipe on the... That's cool as well. I don't think I've ever seen that done before. But that sounds well. So what's down here then, the pits?
You get all the racing lorries, you get the minis.
That's pretty sick. What do you think? Yeah, Yates's ones there. There's some awesome stuff here, isn't there? I can't believe this is the first time I've come to this event. This is sick. That's quite nice, that lorry, actually, isn't it? I quite like that. Wow, look at that. I suppose that's how you do truck racing, isn't it? Yeah. Just blow the whole thing up. That is cool. That's Alfie's favourite one over there. We'll go have a look at that in a minute. Look, it's an S-Way. We like S-Ways.
You'll like the Scania down there.
Scania? What one's that? They're cool, aren't they? What is it? Oh, hello! Get on the content. That is really nice, actually. I'll tell you what, I've changed my mind. I quite like that, actually. It's even got a little window up in the sleeping area. That's pretty cool. Awesome.
Side piped as well.
Is she? She's piped. Oh yeah.
You can go down there.
Very cool. Side pipe. Neil Yates's ST cab.
Leg you come back out the quarry without the other way.
That is seriously cool, that lorry. Did my test for my HGV in that RSM truck. I wonder if Stevie's here, my instructor. He drives for RSM. So this is RSM's racing truck. How cool is that? That's the lorry I passed my HGV in.
Tell you did your testing it, look at the scratch.
On the wing tops at the back, I called them as I was going for the trailer.
It must be auto because
Stop going, man.
And moving on. That is so cool.
it's got the smoke backlights on it.
Oh, they are so cool. They're so dark, my camera's barely even picking it up. That is wicked. For it not being a truck show, there is still some really nice stuff here. I mean, that is nice.
There's vehicle lights behind this.
It's got lights behind there, look.
Look, that's a nice ball bar.
That is a nice ball bar. I know someone that's got a ball bar like that.
I don't know the price for it.
I'll have to find out for you.
I've done for your son.
They're pretty cool, aren't they? It's pretty sweet. MC truck passing.
Look, this is ITBs as well.
What does that mean?
Independent throttle bodies.
Oh.
So look, they're your injectors. Injectors, throttle cable, and that's your plenum.
I think we've got to try and build one of these, haven't we? They're so basic though, aren't they?
Yeah.
There's nothing to them. Excellent. Some guys working on it there, that's pretty cool. That is well nice, that is. That is so cool. No, well that reminds me of, Fred. That reminds me of the van that I did the award to at Foxfest for the lights.
There's nothing I can do with it, and I've got a back marker just ahead of them, so we can't overtake. In reality, it's Andy right.
Oh dear.
Over the start finish now,
They are
Sam
not
Gordon
happy.
still leading the way. Next champion earlier today has lost 2 places in 2 corners. He's lost 3 places in 3 corners now. That's through.
It's now time for the main event. The lorries are finally coming on, so hopefully we'll... what are you two chatting about?
We won the championship earlier today.
Here they come, they're coming around now. This is going to be really cool. Hopefully we get some awesome stuff for this.
Yeah, really happy.
Here we go. Daff Alfie. Oh, don't worry about the racing trucks, just look at the daff.
I think it's you guys have been the absolute class top of the field. What are you expecting next year? Firstly, I'll tell you what, it's starting to rain again now.
Whee! I got that one, Fred. Yes. Hey, RSM.
Head onto the circuit. We've already seen racing around the course today.
Okay, so they've actually had to cancel the race because you guys can see that the truck has gone flying into the barrier. Obviously, we hope the driver's all right, but yeah. So that killed that, really.
I've got the polisher in the car.
I don't really know where we're going next.
Not necessarily the driver, but maybe the transport manager.
The lorries are now coming around for their parade, so we'll see AFP and then we'll make a move.
Go home.
Here they come.
All the way down Paddock Hill Bend as well. Beautiful! Those will be pictures that will be on social media over the course of the next 24 hours.
Yes, Red! Hey! Even though you can't probably see me with that spectacular end to this show, thank you guys very much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and you leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.